Hi, let me ask you a question. Are you tired of being treated like crap? Pardon the expression. Do you do you feel like that you're running out of time? The older you get, you're running out of time. You're running out of money. Are you like me? I was sitting on the front porch saying, looking at this crazy economy and the crazy world that we're living in, saying, Lord, now what? What am I going to do next? Hi, I'm just George, and I thought I had it figured out. Um, I thought I had a good plan. I had worked hard my whole life. I started on the wrong side of the tracks, or actually the wrong side of the river, the Trinity River, and paid my way through school and worked my way up, and got the point when Sandy and I got married. We were going from just getting by to getting along pretty good. And after all the years, started our own company, and we reached that point, that magic point where we could retire and move out here near the ocean and be near the little grandkids and just have that perfect Disney retirement life in our little cottage that we built. That's what I thought. And then I began to look at inflation and just a trip to the grocery store, what that was doing to us and what that was doing to our long-term plan. And I realized I got to do something. This is not going to work out the way I thought it was. Have you had those kinds of questions? Uh, when it was at the very darkest, I was ready to pull my hair out, and I don't have that much hair left to pull out. But I reached the point of saying, I got to go on the offense. I've got to search. I've got to find something. And I did. I didn't invent it, but I found a plan, a blueprint. And being an old construction guy, that when I saw that, that meant a lot to me because I could take that blueprint, follow it step by step by step. You see, what I was missing was how to reach out in this digital, crazy digital world that we're in now. It's new, it's different. And even though I had a lot of experience, that was something completely different. And I found a program that taught me how to do that. And the surprise was that it also taught me how to make a lot of money in a real simple plan. How does $900 a day and a couple hours of work a day sound? Sounded pretty good to me. And I found that it was real and that it was true and it was happening. Well, I knew I wasn't going to go back to a job and working for somebody else or trading time for work or time for money. And so I set out on this course. I took the blueprint and I began to work it. And you don't have to believe me. You can look at it for yourself. If you're in that point where you feel like you're not getting respect that you deserve at your age, to where you feel like that the system is against you and you're running out of time and money and you got to do something, please take a look at what I found. This may not be for you. It may not be what you want to do, but it may be the answer to give you the tools to go do whatever you want to do. Well, you see, I found that with the people that I've met, the system that I've learned, the dollars that creates, I can find all kinds of opportunities to apply that to. And so I'm not afraid anymore. I'm not concerned anymore. I'm not sitting on my porch saying, now what, Lord? I'm excited about the future. And I would love for you to have a chance to just take a peek at that. And you can do that if you go to onlinedigitaltraining.com. It's a simple training program, onlinedigitaltraining.com. Just go there and look. I will be there to help you. I'll answer your questions. I'll work with you. And let's see if that might be an answer for where you are, for what you need. Like I said, it may not be, and that's perfectly okay. Nobody's going to chase you down the street or force you to look and do anything. But my objective today is to take this thing that I've discovered, this blueprint, and make sure that other people in my generation and those coming just into this age know about it and kind of learn these things and apply it to their life and not have those fears and those concerns, but look at all this crazy world and say, you know, I know that I need faith. I know that I need friends. But you know what, guys? what I found is you also need lots and lots of money to survive through what we're facing right now. And here's a way to get it, at least a blueprint that'll show you how to do it. OnlineDigitalTraining.com. I hope you'll take a look. Let's talk about it, and see you on the other side. Goodbye.